Hi everybody, Tammy here. We're in the Dolly Studio today and I have Malibu with me. She and I are getting ready to take a trip to Cocoa Beach for a long weekend with family. And typically I bring jewelry on a trip, but honestly we're staying at an Airbnb condo and it's right on the beach, and pretty much all we do is go out to the beach, come in for a little while, go out to the beach, come inside for a little while. There's a restaurant like right next to the condo, so we go walk over there and eat. So we really don't go like out a lot. It's just beach and family and beach and family. So I'm going to use Terry's idea. My sister Tapping Flamingo Terry has this really good video. I'm watching it now. I'm in the Dolly Studio hanging out on a Sunday doing this stuff. Here we go. It's called, I'll link it down below. I'm making myself a seashell necklace I can wear to the beach. That's her title. And I'm taking a look at it again. I already watched it, but I'm going to look at it. Put that light away. There you go. I'm going to look at it again and try to kind of replicate what she did there with one or two shells. I can't figure out which shell. I really like the way this one looks. They all have holes in them already, by the way. But it's a little bit large. So I want to make a necklace for me, and I want to make a necklace for Malibu. And I think for her, I can find it, I think I'm going to use, I think this is a good size. So I'm going to try to do what Terry's doing and make one for myself using one of these shells, and then a little miniature one for Malibu. Alright, so I'm using some crochet hooks that I got from Saving One Day. This one in particular, it's a 2.5 millimeter, so I think it's going to be a good size. You can see it's a nice small hook, and it's got this you know, nice handle on it for crocheting. So yeah, in fact, they sent this to me not that long ago. I got a set of these hooks along with some other products that I showed you guys already. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use some 10-pound hemp. I believe I just picked this up at Walmart a long time ago. I always have a stash of hemp. I like to use hemp a lot in my crafting. And I'm going to use the darker brown. I've got black, the natural, and the brown. And I think I'm going to use the brown. And I actually might make a couple because I'm not sure which one of these shells I want to use. So yeah, I'm going to follow her video, use my new crochet hook, hang out with Malibu, and get some crafting done. When I'm finished, I'm going to show you the finished product. But if you want to know how to do it, head over to the Tapping Flamingo URL that I have linked down below in the description. All right, hold on. Let's see how I do. Alright, so here is my necklace. This crochet hook, this size worked really well, 2.5 millimeter. I'll leave a link down below to Saving One Day, directly to this set of hooks that they sent me, by the way. And I really like how this turned out. I used the bigger shell. I might make myself another one, maybe with the natural hemp and this smaller, what do you call it, shell. But this turned out really nice. I'm going to wear it around and just see how comfortable it is. It's just, this is kind of big to me. But I guess it's not, it's about a little over an inch. So it's not super big. But wait till you see this one. How cute is this? I used the same technique Terry showed in that video. And so it's the same one I used to make this. But I just made one for her. Just downsized it. This is 10 chains, 10 crochet, 10 chains for this stitch here, 10 here and 10 here. Same hook, same exact hemp, just smaller scaled it. And Terry talks about in her video how she recommends that you not use metal, but for this is, you know, it's just something I'm wearing for the weekend and the summer and bopping around. It doesn't matter if it falls apart or not. I can always make it again. So I went ahead and put on a lobster claw clasp, and for the end, other side, instead, I did have jump rings out here. I was going to put on the jump rings, but I thought, you know, just be easier. I just made an overhand knot and looped the hemp on the end, and then my clasp can connect to that, no problemo. So, but yeah, success. I'm going to probably make a couple more, actually. It was pretty fun. Alright guys, please let me know what you think in the comments down below. Do you make stuff for yourself and for your dollies? Give this a thumbs up and have a wonderful dolly day. Bye bye!